TCW friends, this is Miss Sophie. We have Miss Lauren, Miss Kayla, and Miss Jerry, and we're back here at Rumford trying to make this place clean for you so you can come back. We're here at the center today getting our classrooms ready for our friends and families to come back starting on June 1st. We're so excited to see you guys. So now I'm going to show you some of the cleaning that we've been doing today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear somebody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Late birthday, dear Miss Lauren. Happy birthday to you. Let me wash. And that's how you do it. Right now, Miss Kayla and I are outside cleaning the preschool playground. Now Miss Kayla is spraying down the playground equipment. Now I'm in the toddler playground and I'm gonna start spraying this down. Let's go see what Miss Jess is up to in her office. Hi, Miss Jess.
Hey,
what are you up
Miss
to?
Lauren. Oh, you know, lots of stuff, getting ready for our kids to come back, getting kids' names in the computers, and gonna be calling people soon to tell them. I can't wait that they're coming back. I'm excited.
Me too.
I know, so happy to see their faces. You can't tell, but I'm smiling. Hey guys, well, everything is clean and ready to go. We can't wait to see you guys, so hope to see you guys back on Monday and after that each week. So again, you can't see us, but we're smiling. We're super excited to see you, so can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.